After having spent 2 days in this enchanting valley and learning in bits and parts about the history of the village, we were now beginning to settle in with the people around us. These types of vast barren mountains around Hennesco are found all over Ladakh region. The higher Himalayas in western Ladakh extend towards the Karakoram range in Baltistan and to the Aksai Chin plains towards China. Imagine living in a place where the climate basically dictates how you live your life. A place where the temperatures in winters drop to minus 30 degrees or lower with heavy snow, and in summers due to receding glaciers in the area and immense heat, the crisis takes form in the shortage of water. A personal takeaway from my time in Hennesco was the importance of living in sync with nature. The livestock here is not just used for milk but also to procure wool, which is then used to make hand-knitted clothes such as caps, sweaters, and the local clothing outfit Goncha. A very small example of the sustainable living model in most of such villages. The people of Hennesco lead a self-sustained agrarian life and practice Buddhism. Good morning.
Shower? Totally bad here, na?
Huh?
Keep your head covered today. You washed your hair also.
The sound of the morning prayers and chants with a hot cup of butter tea would kickstart our usual day. Lonpo Rigpacha, a mythical wise figure on his journey from Purik to Tibet, upon reaching Hennesco, had a prophecy that the people of Hennesco would always lead a hard life.
पानी तो यहाँ पर हम पूरा बर्फ़ के ऊपर डिपेंड रखते हैं। सर्दी में जितना बर्फ़ पड़ोगे और उतना गर्मी में हम लोगों को थोड़ा अच्छे रहता है, मौसम ठीक रहता है, तो थोड़ा खेती बड़ी ठीक रहता है। यदि सर्दी के टाइम में बर्फ़ नहीं पड़ रहा है आजकल ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की वजह से या कुछ भी बोलो, अगर पड़ा तो एकदम कट्ठे, नहीं पड़ा तो बिल्कुल नहीं पड़ जाता है, तो जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पानी में थोड़ा काफ़ी दिक्कत पड़ जाता है। क्योंकि ये पानी वही नाले के ऊपर या उसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है, कोई ज़्यादा ग्लेशियर नहीं है हमारे यहाँ पर।
I think it is a testament to humanity that communities are still able to thrive in a place such as this. To think that the prophecy of Lonpo Rigpachan declared the life for residents at Hennesco a tough one. Despite that, these people have been living here for centuries now and have managed to set an example of healthy and a sustainable life.
गांव की खास बात यह है कि हमारे गांव में ज़्यादातर 40-50 गाड़ी है मैक्सिमम, लेकिन एकजुट होना भी एकदम आसान होता है। एक लीडर स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, फिर उसके अंदर हो के कहीं भी कुछ करना, क्योंकि हम लोग बॉर्डर में पड़ते हैं यहाँ पे, एक लेह डिस्ट्रिक्ट में और करगिल डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, तो कुछ भी काम करना हो, कुछ भी करना हो, सब मिलकर एकदम काम कर लेते हैं। ये थोड़ा मजे की बात है।
Living through a pandemic, I find myself weighing the merits of living a holistic life within a close-knit community and really wonder if it's time for us to go back to simpler ways of living, or at the least understand the fact that the damage we are causing is not to Mother Nature but to our own detriment in the future.
De la raza